Finally tonight, live steam is back in the Northland. The North Shore Scenic Railroad is now pulling passengers with a historic locomotive. Photojournalist Josh Miller brings us the sights and sounds of the 2719 steam engine, as told by the volunteers who are making it possible.
Such a rare treat these days to get to ride behind such historic power.
It's just a great feeling to bring things to life and get it up and running out here like this. Nostalgia, getting back to an earlier, supposedly happier time. Life is simple.
I enjoy railroading. I did it all my life, and I just wanted the opportunity to get back on a steam engine too.
My dad used to work on the sewer line, so back in the steam days, he started out. Kind of got me interested as a kid, so it was kind of a way of remembering him.
Were what built America and what actually built the world, too. Steam engines are like people. They live and breathe. They personify hard work.
It's kind of fun to see how things used to be in the old days.
They appear to act and feel like they're kind of alive.
This train is headed back from two harbors, Minnesota, back to the main former Great Northern Station in Duluth, Minnesota.
Talk about a machine here that's almost 100 years old, you know, and here we are full of passengers with it again.
Certainly hope to keep the engine up and keep using it on occasions so that other generations will understand about steam engines, which we had in this country for about 150 years as our main mode of travel.
The historic engine was built in 1923 and pulled a passenger train called the Laker between Duluth and Chicago. It'll run for the next few weekends at the Duluth Depot. Click on northlandsnewscenter.com and you can call the depot or visit their website from our website. Again, northlandsnewscenter.com. We used to watch Casey Jones on TV as a kid. Never quite outgrew it, did we? You can see the news anytime, anywhere on northlandsnewscenter.com. I'm Pat Kelly, and we'll leave you with a little more of that Steam 2719 as we leave on this Monday night.